Before reselling this iPhone 8, I'm going to put a brand new battery in to get the battery health back to 100%. After heating the adhesive up with a heat mat, go ahead and unscrew the pentalobe screws and then wedge it open with a blade and a plastic pry tool. Once it's opened up, undo the screws for the bracket and take off the bracket for both the main board and the camera. Carefully pry up the flex connectors, starting with the battery, then moving on to the LCD, home button and front flex. I prefer to use my heat mat, 70 degrees for a few minutes to soften the adhesive behind the battery. Then with a battery pry tool, it comes out very easily. Remember to clean off the adhesive that was left there. Apply the new adhesive to your new battery. Make sure it's stuck down so it doesn't peel off. I like to connect the battery first before pushing it in. Reconnect the flex cables. Give it a quick test before you put everything back together, testing the front camera. Okay, that works. So now we can reinstall the flex brackets and the screws. Go ahead and do the same for the front flex as well. Pop the screen back in. Looking good. Reinstall the pentalobe screws. Okay, now we can go to settings, check battery health, and it's at 100%, ready to resell.